Molly, still can't believe we're standing here today. You might say that once we got to truly know each other that I never left. And that's true, and will remain true. Because you bring with you the beauty of so many things in life that I've yet to see. You truly are the painter, my painter. I'm so glad we have forever to see how we grow, bend, and fold. If I gave it all away tomorrow, I'd still be the richest man in the world because I have you. Forever, for always. I might loosen my grip, but I won't ever let you go.
They say love is more precious than gold. It can't be bought and it can't be sold. I got love enough to spare. That makes me a millionaire. I got a woman with eyes that shine down deep as a diamond mine. She's my treasure so very rare.
Ethan, thank you for just being you. Thank you for being understanding. Thank you for being kind and patient with me until I finally realized too nice wasn't a bad thing. Thank you for loving me for who I was, who I am, and for whoever I will be. As your wife, I promise to love you fully every single day. And lastly, I promise that I will always make you feel loved for who you are, and I hope you always remember that I love you for you. I truly believe it's not what we have in life, it's who we spend it with that is important. And I know that as long as you are there, I will always be safe, happy, and most importantly, loved. I love you, and I promise to make sure you know that every single day. Can't believe I get to be your wife.
Never could be so. I got love enough to share. That made me a millionaire. When the kisses fall from everywhere, like riches on a millionaire.
Molly, I love you. I love your family. I love your friends. Your endless love is something I'm lucky to see day in and day out. You open-heartedly welcomed me in, and you took this heart of gold, and you melted it down.
It's more precious than gold. It can't be bought, no, and it can't be sold. I got love enough to spare. That makes me a millionaire.
By the power invested in me in the great state of North Carolina, it is my honor that I pronounce you husband and wife. Ethan, kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Ethan and Molly Knight.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby, I think I want to marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby?
What I love about Ethan is that he doesn't just go along for the ride, he's already buckled in. You love her for exactly who she is, her wild ideas, her early bedtime, her passion for boogie boarding. And her big, beautiful heart. Molly, I truly believe you found your best friend, someone who loves you for every quirky, wonderful thing that makes you you.
Got a pocket full of cash we can blow. Shots of Patrol. And it's on, girl. Don't say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll go, 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 go. If you're ready, like I'm ready. 'Cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you.
Molly, you share a lot of the same traits as Ethan. You also have a heart of gold, and you care about others in ways that most people can't.
Ethan's my best friend in the whole world, and I'm so happy that you found each other, and I can't wait to see y'all do life together.
So what you wanna do? Let's just run, girl.
I've watched Molly become someone who loves with their whole heart and someone who never stops chasing her dreams. And then she met Ethan. It was like watching a puzzle finally find its missing piece.
Let's all raise a glass to Molly and Ethan. May your life together be full of love, laughter, and boogie boarding. Cheers.
Go, go, go. If you're ready, like I'm ready. 'Cause it's a beautiful